Hey, it's Tara. Welcome to Bake In, where I'm baking in my kitchen. I've set up a kitchen studio so I can show you guys how easy it is to bake with the essentials. We're gonna make a blueberry banana bread loaf. That's a tongue twister. The first thing we're gonna need is sweet ripened bananas. I could only pick up some yellowish bananas, but the hack is that we're gonna take these bananas and roast them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes to start, and that will blacken the skin and they'll get really soft and delicious inside. Cool, so while those are in the oven, we're gonna make the dry mix. So you've got some flour. That's your easy filming at home, guys. Sugar, brown sugar, light brown sugar, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Cool, I'm just gonna mix that all together, and I'll set this off to the side. So this recipe does call for buttermilk, but I don't have any. I can't actually find any in my local shop normally. So a quick and easy way to make buttermilk is you're gonna take milk and add about a tablespoon or so of vinegar, and just give it a stir. It already feels like it's getting thick. So already starting to thicken, it's only been a few seconds. Nice, they're browning up beautifully. So I'm just gonna set this off to the side. Eggs here. Add oil. The oil makes for a really nice and moist cake, and a little bit of vanilla. I don't know why I didn't use the pouring spout on my little version. And just whisk this up. Probably should have used a bigger bowl for this. I'm just going to check this buttermilk. You see it's thickened quite nicely. I'm going to pour that in. I'm dropping everything. And that's pretty much our wet done until we've got all of the stuff ready for bananas. Alright, so the bananas are nice and brown, as you can see, and they're perfect to just squeeze out. We'll give these a good mash with a fork so they're nice and smooth. We've got our dry ingredients here again. I'm going to pour in those wet ingredients. I'm just going to start to incorporate this before I add my banana mix. Okay, so I've got most of it mixed in. Add in my banana now. Switch to a whisk. I'll just break up the banana mix. Back to the spatula. Cool. Now for the blueberry part. Wiping my. So when you do blueberries, you're going to add the flour. Toss them in before you put it into the mix, because that way they actually scatter around the batter and they don't just all sink to the bottom. The flour catches onto the batter basically. And then fold those through. Alright, so I've got a tin that I've already lined with some parchment. It's also grease, which will help take it out easily. I'm going to pour in the mixture. And what I like to do is I like to put a few extra blueberries on top so that when it comes out of the oven, it looks a little bit blueberry studded and doesn't just show, it just looks nice. There we go. And now we're going to take it away to bake. Look at that. Alright, so here we have it, fresh from the oven. It's got a really nice golden brown top. You can see those blueberries that we put on top. You actually know what's inside of it, which is great. And then we have that nice little crack, which I absolutely love on those. So I'm just gonna let this chill for a while, and then I'm gonna take it out of the tin and let it chill on the rack before I slice it. Yum. Looks amazing. I'm so happy with it. Put a slice on a plate and then eat it. I'm so excited. Alright, so I've got a nice slice. Super moist. It's still a little bit warm. Blueberries, banana, so nice. Thanks so much guys for watching. If you want some more recipes, keep tuned. We've got some savory and sweet. But let's all keep well and safe at home.